2011 F250 6.7 Powerstroke, bone stock, no EGR delete, no nothing, no modifications. It's got this whining noise that started up while I was driving for a couple hours the other day, and it seems to be coming from the driver's side of the engine. I'm trying to figure out what that could be. I've been watching a lot of videos and I found a few that were similar, but I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and show you what it sounds like. So I'm gonna prime the pump and then let you listen to the fuel pump, the fuel filter. I don't think the fuel filter is a problem. Could be the fuel system, but it's my first diesel. I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it. I think that noise is pretty normal. Go ahead and crank it over. And there's that sound. Starts immediately. Got it park. You know that tire pressure sensor? Got it park, rev it up. It gets louder whenever I rev it up. It doesn't seem like it's tied to the turbo. At least I hope not. So again, it gets louder when I rev it up. Still there.